everybody else are wanting to.
That's awesome.
Well, we're really excited. We've been planning for this over a year. The entire staff, the interns, every intricate detail that you see, whether it be the uniforms they have, the hats, the way the field is, the way all the reenactments are, everybody planned everything right down to the last thing, and look what's happened. It's a success, it's great, our fans are happy.
It was awesome. They did a first-class job. It's a great organization, and they put together a great dinner last night. Put together a great game, festivities. The fans were very engaged, and I'm happy that everybody had a good time.
Oh, it feels great. I'm pumped, especially in front of the home crowd. I'm ready to go tonight.
Sure, it's fun to be with the guys that you compete against all the time and see, see how they are, come together as a team. And even though we're playing the same game, it's going to be interesting.
I love being an All-Star. I get to play with some of the best players in the league along with some of my teammates. And the experience so far has been amazing. Somerset does it right.